Welcome to our lesson on multiplying two-digit by one-digit numbers. By the end of the lesson, I would love to see you be able to fluently multiply multi-digit whole numbers using the standard algorithm. There are some things you need to know before you multiply whole numbers. First, let's talk about our math vocabulary. The top number will be your multiplicand and the bottom number will be your multiplier. If you notice in this example, you can see here 87 times 5. 87 is the top number, that is your multiplicand, and 5 is your bottom number, that's your multiplier. You'll need to know that because I will refer to that when I'm explaining what you need to do on how to multiply a two-digit number by a one-digit number. Our first one is a two-digit number 68 multiplying by a one-digit number 2. The 68, let's go back, would be your multiplicand, and the 2, if you notice, will be your multiplier. So basically your multiplier is multiplied by your multiplicand, and the way you do that is you multiply the multiplier by the multiplicand, but you always start in the ones place. You multiply it by the ones digit and then you multiply it by the tens digit. Over here you would multiply it by the ones digit, the 7, and then multiply it by the tens digit. Let's start with 68 times 2. The multiplier 2 is going to be multiplied by 8. Then the multiplier 2 again will be multiplied by 6. 2 times 8 is 16. You would carry your 1. 2 times 6 is 12. Plus that 1 would be 13. And your final answer is 136. Let's try another one. 47 times 5. 5 is your multiplier. 47 is your multiplicand. And like I said, you always start by multiplying it by the ones digit first and then multiplying it by the tens digit. So 5 would be multiplied times 7. 5 times 7 is 35. You would put your 5 there, but carry your 3 in the number 35. 5 times 4 is 20, and you have to add that 3. 20 plus 3 is 23. So your answer is 235. It's practice time. If you notice, I wrote these in horizontally, but when you're working them, you want to rewrite them vertically. And I will show you how. 98 times 3. Once again, I'm starting with that multiplier and I'm multiplying it times the multiplicand. The multiplier will be multiplied by the ones digit of the multiplicand first and then multiplied by the tens digit of the multiplicand. 3 times 8 is 24. Instead of writing the whole number 24, you will write 4 and carry your 2. 3 times 9 is 27, and then you have to add that 2. 27 and 2 is 29. So your answer is 294. The next problem is 86 times 4. You'll notice that it's written across, which is horizontally, but I'm going to write it vertically. Up and down. 86 times 4. 4 times 6 is 24. Instead of writing the entire 24, I wrote my 4 and carried my 2. 4 times 8 is 32, plus the 2 makes 34. And my answer is 344. The next one is 45 times 8. We have a multiplier of 8 and a multiplicand of 45. 8 times 5 is 40. I would carry my 4 here. 8 times 4 is 32, plus that 4 makes 36. 360. And the last one, 62 times 9. 9 times 2 is 18. carry my 1. 9 times 6 is 54, and plus the 1 would be 55. 558. Let's try some more. But this time you have a challenge. And the reason why is because it's not just a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number. You have a 3-digit number. And the reason why I did this is because I wanted you to know, even though it's a 3-digit multiplication by a 1-digit multiplier, the same rules apply. What I would basically do is multiply the 6 times the 1's digit of 5, the 6 again times the 0 digit in the tens place, and 6 again times the hundreds. You got 1's, 10's, hundreds. Multiply it all by 6. 6 times 5 is 30, and I would carry my 3. 6 times 0 is 0, plus that 3 would be 3. 6 times 2 is 12. There was nothing carried, so you write the 12. 1,230. The next one, 184 times 7. So you would multiply 7 times 4, 7 times 8, and then 7 times 1. 7 times 4 is 28. I'm going to carry my 2. But before I do, I'm going to erase this answer, being that I already have it there. 7 times 4 was 28. I have 8 here, which means I need to carry my 2. Now, 7 times 8 is 56, and I have to add that 2 that I carried, which is 58. Am I going to write the entire 58 here? No, I'm not. I'm only going to write the 8 and carry my 5. 7 times 1 is 7, plus the 5 makes 12. We have an answer of 1,288. Okay, the next problem is 349 times 8. $349 times 8. We're going to multiply the multiplier times your multiplication using your 1's, 10's, and hundreds digit. 8 times 9 is 72. I'll put my 2 and carry my 7. 8 times 4 is 32, plus that 7 makes 39. And carry my 3. Why am I circling those? Just to let me know that those are my numbers that are being carried and nothing else. 8 times 3 is 24, plus that 3 makes 27. So our answer is 2,792. And the last one, 437 times 3. You're getting pretty good. Now you're doing 3-digit by 1-digit. 3 times 7 is 21. Carry my 2. 3 times 3 is 9, plus that 2 makes 11. Carry my 1. 3 times 4 is 12, plus the 1 makes 13. We have an answer of 1,311. And that concludes our lesson on multiplying 2-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers.